Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to do the setup in my A5 Erin Condren rings, my daily planner for the week of the 28th. Ooh, I don't have the rest of the week. Well, this is the rest of March, and then we go obviously into April, so let's take the rest of March out of here. And then we will just start decorating for this week. I put the stickers, the number stickers on first just to make it easier and quicker. And then I'm adding my medication and vitamin checklist to each one. And then I'm just going to put the to-dos and just everything on. And I thought I'd just speed this up and let you guys watch. It's pretty much the same every time. Then, since I don't have anything for there, I have one bigger green box we can put here. And I'll just put a couple smaller ones. Yeah, I can write things for upcoming week or something there, I guess. Or reminders. I do have this big planner, and I have a big desk. I think I'm going to stick this on here just to end out the week. Maybe I'll kind of sneak it in here. There. Okay, anything else? Thinking that might be good. Okay, so I think that's good for the week. Okay, so this is going to be weird because it's going to go from Thursday, and then it's got this page in here, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But that's how it is when it's a split week. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.